Let's start with cooking your pasta. Brown your meat. Get rid of all the excessive liquid from your meat, all the fat. You want to get rid of that. So when you add your pasta sauce, you're gonna have that beautiful, great flavor of garlic there that you're gonna enjoy later. Next thing we're gonna need to do is add some flavor to your meat. So we're gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of red paprika, 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper, 1/2 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon of parsley. Mix everything together, nice and easy. Next, you're gonna add your sauce. I add like 1.5 jar. That's just perfect for the amount of meat that I use. So next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna mix your pasta with your meat. After you do that, cover everything with a nice thick layer of cheese. Everything tastes better with cheese, so put a lot of cheese on it, cover it up, low heat, about 10 minutes give or take. Make sure that the cheese melts nice and easy with the meat, and you're ready to go. Your dinner is served. If you be so kind, like and subscribe. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time.